Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the view that contains the pinned elements you want to release. Select the Modify tool and click a pinned element. If you have many, use Ctrl+click or a selection window. Once done, make sure Temporary Hide/Isolate or Filters are off so pins are visible. You do this because hidden pins or worksets can prevent unpinning. Keeping the elements exposed guarantees predictable selection and avoids accidentally moving links. With the elements selected, choose the Unpin command on the Modify ribbon. It immediately clears the pinned flag and allows movement. You can also toggle the pinned parameter in the Properties palette to off. This is useful for multiple selections or when the ribbon is contextual. For groups and linked models, first edit group or open link so Revit recognizes the element context, then unpin. This avoids creating detached geometry or unexpected constraints. Doing it this way prevents accidental deletions. After unpinning, move or modify elements as needed. You'll see grips and can drag or type precise distances. If the unpin command is grayed out, check whether the element is on a closed workset, owned by another user, or part of a linked model. Make sure the workset is open and you have edit rights. If constraints or hosting still prevent change, remove the constraint or rehost the element. This solves most stubborn situations and keeps your model stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.